About 6,000 years ago, humankind made a significant step towards preserving products by having invented a package. The types of packages were gradually changing. The materials and package production technologies were improving. Nevertheless, up to now, packaging still remains a relevant item, becoming an important part of everyday life. The Kherson company Amalteya entered the package market 15 years ago and has already achieved incredible results, entering the top 10 best Ukrainian importing and exporting companies.
Кращих підприємств імпортерів та експортерів України.
Amalteya Ltd, established in 1994. Main activity, production and trade of packaging for various bulk products. The company works round the clock. Productive capacity more than 100,000 polypropylene bags daily. The produce meets the demands of sugar, food, chemical and other industry sectors and is also used for packing mineral fertilizers. The bags are exported to more than 100 countries of the world. This is a manufacturing company which produces more than 30 million bags for various bulk products from over 30 million running meters of fabric. The main customers are sugar, salt, flour, feedstuffs and fertilizers producers. You see, over the past 15 years, the company made a significant step forward, increasing the capacity from 10 million to 30-32 million bags per year. That is a considerable progress in company's development. Sergei Rybachok, director of Amalteya Ltd, historian and economist. He is sure that in order to achieve high production performance, first and foremost, it is necessary to provide decent working conditions. He believes in his team, whose well-coordinated work allows setting ambitious objectives and implementing them in life. In the hard 90s, the founders of Amalteya company decided to try their hand in business, having left their favorite occupations. On the one hand, they were lack of entrepreneurial skills, but on the other, they believed in their own forces and capabilities. The newly created enterprise managed different activities, from trade to production. Next year, the company will be 20 years old. At first, we traded sweets, then TV sets. The company has started producing TV sets. However, due to certain legislative acts, the production of TV sets lost its relevance. Since 1996 till 2002, the company was among the biggest sugar traders in the south of Ukraine. We've been selling up to 2,000 tons of sugar, and at that time we have noticed problems with package. High-quality package allows preserving a product in proper condition while delivering it from the producer to the customer. Jute and linen bags used for transporting bulk products didn't allow complete preservation of quality. Therefore, it caused reduction in price. The problem could be resolved by replacing them with polypropylene sacks. However, at that time nobody has manufactured bags of that kind in Ukraine. The founders of Amalteya decided to start the production of polypropylene bags and created a new enterprise at the premises of former Pribor plant in Kherson. We were among the first to import bags, and we were the first to produce the bags of, let's say, that format and quality, which is now called a European quality. We are working with European machinery and equipment produced in Austria. It allows us to manufacture excellent and high-quality product. The businessmen had ambitious plans to install modern high-technology machinery and equipment. They have decided, and they did. In summer of 1999, the polypropylene bags production plant was put into operation. For already 15 years, the enterprise has been working round the clock. Our plant is among the most modern in Europe, working with the state-of-art machinery. We have fellows, similar bags producers, but we have no competitors on the market. In Europe, we are among 4 traders supplying polypropylene bags to large enterprises. For example, there is a European company Zakent Centrale, which has been operating on package market for more than 100 years, while company Amalteya only 15. And we are decently representing Ukraine in Europe, though our produce is also exported to African continent and even China.
Поліпропіленові мішки використовуються.
Polypropylene bags are used in various sectors of economy. Considerable demand for this kind of package exists both in Ukraine and abroad. Therefore, company Amalteya managed to quickly enter the export market, gradually increasing its production volumes. At the beginning of its work, 10 million bags of different volume, density and color were produced. In 4 years, the output was increased to 15 million bags. And after purchasing of another plant in 2007, the figure doubled. The manufacturing was developing in several stages. During the first stage in 1999, the production volume was 10 million bags. At present, the output is 30 million after the reconstruction in 2007 and purchasing of additional machinery and equipment. Currently, company Amalteya yearly produces over 30 million running meters of polypropylene fabric. The amount is quite sufficient to fully cover the planet. Further promotion plans include search for the instruments to complete entering the US market, while the production program envisages further development. We are developing in spite of the economic situation in Ukraine. I may say contrary to it. It is true, we have an objective to complete the construction of a big bag manufacturing plant this year, as over the past 5 years we are lack of time to do it. We are preparing to realize this project. I think we'll do everything till the end of the year, or maybe next year or the year after the next. The project has to be completed for sure. This is an essential condition for the market success. Production of a polypropylene package starts with processing of polypropylene pellets. They are feeded into extruder and are warmed up to 270 degrees, turning into a thin film. Then the cooled polypropylene film is cut into strips threads, which after being quenched and stretched are wound on the bobbins. Further, the main material for polypropylene bags, polypropylene tubular fabric, is produced. So, to get a polypropylene bag, it is only necessary to cut this tubular fabric into required pieces, stitch the bottom and finish the top. The enterprise produces different types of polypropylene bags with packing capacity from 5 to 50 kilograms. The bags are of different width, length, color and marking. Our 4 printing machines allow applying up to 4 colors. The non-stop quality monitoring is held along the entire manufacturing cycle. Therefore, the number of substandard products is reduced to minimum. Daily, the plant produces over 100,000 bags, which are being sold throughout the world. Among our current partners are enterprises working in the domestic Ukrainian market, like sugar and salt producers, the Azot plant in Severodonetsk, Cherkasy Azot plant, Stirol, and a number of flour milling enterprises. In the foreign market, our partners are Glencore and Helm companies. The latter is a world-known fertilizers trader. I can also mention sugar producers such as Südzucker and Nordzucker. These are our partners as well. The company employs around 300 workers. They are convinced in Amalteya that people who are confident in future work much more effectively. Therefore, the company creates decent working conditions for its employees. Wages are paid in time along with provision of a full social package. The staff turnover is low, making some 5–7%. Mostly it is caused by maternity leaves. Over the years of company's work, 187 children were born to our employees. I think this and other factors show that people trust in this enterprise. They believe that they will surely have their job here, and of course we can move forward with such team. At the end of 90s of the past century, company Amalteya was among the first to produce polypropylene package. At present, its products are imported to more than 100 countries all over the world. Since its start-up, the plant has been maintaining its competitive advantages, while the management has been permanently working upon improvement of the production process in order to achieve the maximum quality performance. One of Amalteya's distinguishing features is that over 15 years of its successful work at the package market, the company acts in a decent manner even in challenging situations, while the objective is always achieved. Over the past 20 years of work with this team, I was trying to eradicate the phrases "I cannot" or "I am not able to do it." There were different challenges and various tense situations. However, till now we have never lost our face, and I pray God for this not to happen in future.